Hello guys, in this video we'll study how to start server on ESP32 microcontroller, and we'll also study how to make our own get route and post route. So let's get started. First we'll take a on start event node. To connect with Wi-Fi, we'll take a Wi-Fi start node. Make the flow. In the Wi-Fi start node properties, we'll configure our Wi-Fi. We'll specify our Wi-Fi SSID. Specify a Wi-Fi password. And the output will get success code. To start server, we'll take a server control node. We'll connect with a flow. In the properties, we'll configure server. We'll specify the port which we want to open server. In here, I want to open server port 80. In advanced, we'll deselect the init at startup, click add, done. To make a get route, we'll select server get node. Connect with a flow. In the server get node properties, we'll specify our route. We'll deselect the server Wi-Fi details collection package. Will response in response data will send hello. So whenever someone makes a get request, they will get an output hello. To make a post route, we'll take a server post event node. We'll select our server config and we'll select our route thread. Receive data. In the output, we'll get received data from the post request. In the variable receive data, which will be a JSON. So to get a specific key value from JSON, we'll take a get JSON node. In the JSON get node, we'll pass a variable receive data. We'll specify the key and its data type, and the output will get number of boolean data types value in number of booled variable, and for the text or JSON object data type, will get in variable JSON or text or JSON object. Click on done. To display the value, we'll take a display node, connect with the flow, save the flow and verify the flow, and we are good to upload. You also need to pass a variable in the display node. Click on done. Save the flow. And we'll re-verify the flow and we'll upload it. For a minute. Go to serial display, select port, and here our Wi-Fi got connected and the server is also running on port 18. So let's go to copy the IP address. Go to browser, paste the IP address, specify the route, and we got response hello. Congratulations guys. Let's test our post request. Here Here I am using Postman to make our post request. I will paste the IP address, specify the route, in the body I am sending JSON object name with key name and value anus. So click on send and it's sent from here. Let's check our serial display, and here we got our value successfully.